What's the meaning of all comers? All comers. All comers. All comers. All comers. All comers.
The term all comers refers to an event or competition in which anyone is allowed to participate, without any exclusions or restrictions. This type of event is designed to be open and inclusive, allowing participants from all backgrounds and skill levels to take part. All-comers events are often used in sports, such as track and field, to encourage participation and promote healthy competition. By removing barriers to entry, all-comers events help create a more diverse and vibrant community of athletes, promoting physical fitness and overall well-being.